Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change Google Drive language. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Google Drive application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, register to Google Drive if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check out what we actually have in front of us. So in the bottom, as you can see, we have the home screen, the start, shared, and the files. And in the top left corner, we have the recent, offline, spam, and the bin, and the settings option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change Google Drive language. So guys, the first thing you need to do is go and open Google Drive on your actual PC using drive.google.com as your link. Then what you need to do is click on the gear wheel icon in the upper left and select the settings option. Next, to language, select change language settings, and a language window opens where you can then of course select the language that you prefer. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.